In this tutorial I'm going to show you an exercise that I made a few days ago when I had to make a combination of a string and a number. For instance, here I have let's say a layer or a name, or doesn't matter, and then I want to combine it with numbers. So the approach that I had with code blocks was to have the string, which is equivalent for A in my case, and then 1 to 9, because I want to combine 1 to 9 and obtain this nice list. And then I combine here A plus C, A being the M and then C being this range, and then I have this long list. After that I combined these two lists and I obtain two separate lists. I flatten them and I got the nice result. Well, the same problem I, let's say, quickly accomplished with Python. Here I've made a prefix. This can be as well as import 0, for instance. We can predefine it, and then I have a maximum size, in my case 50, and then I have an object mark for my columns, for my windows, for my doesn't matter, for my files, for my layers. And then I'm doing a go through. So I'm taking each item and I take it through the range. This is max size +1, because the range goes until the last item but doesn't use it. And then I have a condition. If my item number is less than 10, then I combine the prefix plus 0 plus the string conversion from an item integer type, and then if not, for the other conditions I make it prefix plus space plus string, and then I output the mark. Thanks for watching.